southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Hoffman Estates, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, Mundelein, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana The Hills, McHenry, Woodstock, Hunley, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Lake Zurich, Round Lake, Wakonda, Barrington, Island Lake, Cary, Gilberts, and Hawthorne Woods. Including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 55 and 58. This includes Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Marine Hills State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. With 11% off.